Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to build an application that tracks your location and display the address to your screen. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Then select Start New Project. Now let's enter project name. We will call our project, My Location. Please enter My Location in the project name and press OK. Now, you can see the home of your project. A blank screen will appear. Here we will make the design of our application. Now, let's change our screen title. At the right side, you can find Screen Properties. Go to Title Property, and change its value to My Location. Now, we will add a label to write My Location to screen. From left side palette, select Label. Drag it to your screen. Now, let's rename label text. Select Label on the screen. From right side Properties, select Text. Then change its value to My Location. Now, we will add location sensor which will detect your location. From left side palette, select Location Sensor under Sensors tab. Then drag it to your screen. You can see that location sensor will not be added as visible component, and it will be located below the screen. Now, we will add a label to write the location to it. From left side palette, select Label. Drag it to your screen. Now, let's rename label text. Select Label on the screen. From right side Properties, select Text. Then change its value to be empty. Now, we are ready to make our blocks. Let's start programming. Let's add location changed event which fires when the location changed. From left side blocks, select Location Sensor 1. Select Location Sensor 1. Location changed event. Drag it to block's white area. From left side blocks, select Label 2. Select Set Label 2. Text. Drag it under Location changed event. From left side blocks, select Location Sensor 1. Select Location Sensor 1. Current address. Drag it under Location changed event. Now, we are done with our application. Let's run it and enjoy. From your browser, select Connect. Then select AI Companion. A QR code will appear. From your mobile phone, run AI2 Companion. Select Scan QR code, and scan the QR code on your screen. Now your application will appear on your device, and you can run it and enjoy. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.